Hey everyone, Eric with MorningTechMeeting.com. We just finished up with the experience. Larry and I are back at the hotel, kind of going through the event and figuring out what happened. And I want to tell a little story. And that story was, we've been working on this business for a long time, like getting it ready. It's a really new concept. And what happened was the show started, and I don't think people really understood what we were doing, so they would just walk by our booth, and my heart was sinking. We were getting tense and I was feeling sad. So I looked at Larry and said, hey man, you're the marketing guy. Go make it happen. Get some people to me. So what'd you do?
So we started looking at people and saying, hey, do you have technicians? And they'd kind of nod as they're moving along. I'm like moving along and I said, do they drive you crazy? And they would say, yeah, they do. Of course they do. They drive me nuts. And then they'd come over to the booth and I had a little connection with them. And I'd say, we had a business for 12 years. We can totally relate to you. And I'd send them over to the Tech Whisperer, because the Tech Whisperer would tell them what was going on with
Well,
Morning
the
Tech
reality is that we know from experience, they don't have to drive you nuts all the time. That's not a common thing in a really great company with really well-trained techs. It just doesn't happen. And we've had it both ways, so we know it doesn't have to be that way. So my question to them was, how long are you going to continue to feel this way? And it makes you hate your business when you're upset with your techs. So what are you going to do about it? So then I would talk about our video series training on the soft skills. The soft skills like how to behave in a home, how to look Mrs. Jones in the eye, how to deal with an angry customer, how to put property protection down, how to get 5-star reviews. Those kinds of things, not the technical training, are the reasons that companies often succeed or fail. So we have a 5 video per week program where they every day get a 6 to 8 minute video from me training them on those skills, and it just comes to your phone via email, and then you put it up on a screen, do the meeting, and that way you don't have to do any of the training yourself. You could talk about it after, but you're subbing that to me. So Larry, how do they go about getting this?
So we have an offer on our website, morningtechmeeting.com, for the attendees of the show. Actually, I'm going to email it to you directly. It's $199 for the full year, which is as much as a callback, and you're going to prevent a whole bunch of callbacks from Eric's Tech Whispering teaching. So think of $199 for 1 year, 5 videos a day. It's a huge value, and think of what you're going to gain out of it.
5 videos a week.
5 videos a week, not a day. Anyway, you're going
I
to
mean,
get
I can send you 5 a day, but it's going to cost you a little more.
So anyway, click on the link, sign up. You have any questions, let us know. You have a great day. It was a pleasure to see you at the convention.
Nice meeting you. Thanks a lot.